Hey, this is AJ for the Disney 411 News. Starting in international park news this week, Tokyo Disneyland has announced that a new nighttime show will debut this September and will be the first castle show to feature Marvel characters. Moving over to California, this past week Pixar Place Hotel opened at Disneyland. Along with the launch, Disney confirmed that the hotel will be the exclusive meet and greet location for the lovable Bing Bong from Pixar's Inside Out. Moving over to Walt Disney World, Animal Kingdom announced this past week that a baby Okapi has been named Elijah after a cast member who has been with the company for more than 50 years. Also at Animal Kingdom, a new art installation has debuted for Black History Month between Creature Comforts and Pizzafari. And also renovation work is underway on the glowing walkway in Pandora. This past week at EPCOT, Disney have begun testing new X-ray machines to speed up the checking of bags entering the parks. Over at Hollywood Studios, the Mystery Kiosk has had some new sign work added to it this past week, which reads Ice Cold Hydraulics. However, there is still no official news about this new location. And over in Star Wars Galaxy's Edge, the new PhotoPass Capture Your Moment experience can be found at the old Halcyon docking bay terminal near the First Order cargo shop. And finally this week in other park news that could impact Disney in the future, Universal Orlando has released lots of new information for Epic Universe. This includes new concept art and also the confirmation of the lands. These will include Celestial Park, Super Nintendo World, Dark Universe, How to Train Your Dragon, Isle of Berk, Wizarding World of Harry Potter, Ministry of Magic, as well as the Helios Grand Hotel, with the park featuring more than 50 attractions, entertainment, dining and shopping experiences. And that's your 411 quick take today. Head over to the Sorcerer Radio Discord at srsounds.com/Discord to chat along and keep up with the latest news. And don't forget to tune into our hosted shows throughout the week.